Hey there, Wealth Wisdom 01 family. Are you ready to transform your ordinary house into a property empire? In today's video, we'll be sharing the top strategies to help you achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. So buckle up and let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding the basics. Before we start, it's essential to understand the basics of real estate investing. This includes knowing the different types of properties, such as single-family homes, multifamily homes, and commercial properties. Each type has its pros and cons, so it's crucial to choose the right one for your goals and risk tolerance. Next, familiarize yourself with the various investment strategies, like buy and hold, fix and flip, and wholesaling. By understanding these strategies, you can determine which one aligns best with your financial objectives and expertise. Section 2. Building a solid foundation. To build a property empire, you need a solid foundation. Start by creating a detailed business plan that outlines your goals, target market, and investment strategies. This plan will serve as your roadmap to success and help you stay focused on your objectives. Establish a strong financial foundation by saving for a down payment, improving your credit score, and securing pre-approval for a mortgage. These steps will put you in a better position to negotiate favorable terms when purchasing properties. Section 3. Expanding your portfolio. Once you've acquired your first property, it's time to expand your portfolio. Look for opportunities to invest in additional properties that align with your investment strategy and target market. Remember, diversification is key to mitigating risk and maximizing returns. As you grow your property empire, consider leveraging the equity in your existing properties to finance new acquisitions. This strategy, known as BRRR or BRRR, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat, can help you scale your investments more quickly and efficiently. Section 4. Building a strong team. A successful property empire requires a strong team of professionals to support your efforts. This includes real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and financial advisors. By surrounding yourself with experts, you can make more informed decisions and streamline your operations. Don't forget to network with other real estate investors, as they can provide valuable insights, resources, and potential partnership opportunities. Attend local meetups, join online forums, and participate in industry events to expand your network and knowledge. And there you have it. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to turning your ordinary house into a thriving property empire. Remember, success in real estate investing requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. So keep pushing forward, and you'll achieve your financial goals in no time. Click on the videos on the screen for more investment strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Wealth Wisdom 101, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing!